Hello everyone. So today we will learn what is the use of countif formula in Excel. So for that we have one question. We need to find total attendance of student from Monday to Saturday. So for that we will write equal to count if tab. Now we need to select range. So we will select range from B2 to G2. Now we will write comma. Now we need to select criteria. So we will write double exclamatory mark. In double exclamatory mark we will write P and press enter. So we will get that Manish is present only at 2 days. Now we will drag this formula. So we will get all the student total attendance in a week. So this is how we will use countif formula in Excel. Thank you so much for watching my videos.